Copy that. Truck clear. Bring it in slow.
Gate open, proceed.
Thumbs up. Keep rolling.
Up, clear on the left. Ready to slow. Hold, swing forward. I'm in ahead. Good. Down on my mark. 3, 2, 1, down. That's down. Set, slide the sling. Front, tight, go ahead with the arm.
Rolling out, watch your feet.
All clear, keep it steady.
Motor's free, I'm stowing the clock. 10 minutes to the weigh station.
Pressure's holding at 98, flow's even.
Perfect. Let's keep it there. Stems are coming out clean.
Copy that.
Pressure holding at 43.5.
Looks good. Fiber quality's clean and even.
We'll keep it in the optimal band and log the batch.
Good. Everything stays aligned.
A leak-proof backsheet is fed beneath the absorbent core. As the layers meet, heat sealing rollers apply exactly tuned pressure and temperature. The A leak-proof backsheet is fed beneath the absorbent core. As the layers meet, heat sealing rollers apply exactly tuned pressure and temperature.
Each pad enters the precision zone. Articulated arms fold the wings in perfect symmetry, guided by micron-level sensors. Tolerances stay green on the display, always. Precision matters. As each pad glides beneath the applicator, a smooth, even line of adhesive is laid down, thin, consistent, and exactly where it needs to be.
R-seal timing steady. Alignment looks good. Wrapped pads glide forward, untouched by human hands. Blue UV panels bathe each pack, and sensors confirm every second of exposure.
Count confirmed. Accuracy 100%.
Flat cartons slide in, and within seconds the machine folds them into shape. A robotic arm delivers a perfectly stacked set of pads. The box closes, and the conveyor carries it forward.
Seems tight. Want to check the seal?
Solid. I'll scan it through.
Alignment looks perfect. Next one coming in.